to give you alternatives to the regular meals. So this time I'm giving you alternatives to the regular moyinmoyin that we normally eat, which we tested in my last video. Ingredients: 2 to 4 tablespoons of almond flour, 2 eggs, Maggi or salt to taste, 2 tablespoons of pepper, fish, olive oil, and wrapping leaves. After I open my big pack of almond flour, I put it in a jar for preservation. So I took 2 spoons because I'm the only one eating. Then I cracked one of the eggs. I have the second egg already boiled. Then I added 2 spoons of pepper and half a cup of water. Then I added 1.5 tablespoonful of olive oil. Then I added Maggi. I didn't use salt, so I used just half of Maggi crayfish to taste. Then I mixed everything together. I put the already boiled egg and the fish in a bowl. I used salmon fish. So everything is ready. The moyinmoyin is ready for wrapping. So I made only 2 wraps as I'm the only one eating. Then I put it in a cooking pot, covered the pot and allowed it to cook for just 20 minutes. Wow, our moyinmoyin is ready. I wish you were here. This looks so yummy. Wow. So just before I took this meal, I tested myself and I had 108. So I started eating this moyinmoyin and I almost finished one before I remembered I had to take my chia seed with it. It tasted so delicious. So I took 2 wraps of this moyinmoyin with the chia seed, and in the chia seed I added cucumber to it. I also added stevia sweetener. I ate everything. So after the meal, I tested myself again and I was not really disappointed because it read 127, which tells me that this meal is really good for me. This is because it falls below the mark of 140. Now I'd like to tell you how to prepare your chia seed. Soak in coconut milk for 20 to 30 minutes, or you can soak it in water overnight. If you cannot get stevia sweetener, you can put a handful of peanuts and cucumber to give it a crunchy taste. You really need to try this, and I'm sure if you do, you will really enjoy it. Please, I would like to know your comments on this meal in the comment section below. I am sure you will agree with me that this is far better than the paps, the yellow pap, the white pap, the cocoa, and the millet pap, which is called okibaba. This one is much more nutritious and is very good for your body. With a lot of fiber. It's good for your body and it will not raise your blood sugar. It's really very nice. Apart from peanuts, you can add any other nuts that are available in your country. You can add almonds, diabetes recipes in my next videos. God bless you.